Congratulations on becoming one of the millions of PAP users in the world to treat your sleep apnea. Using PAP equipment can be a great way to improve your quality of life. But that improvement can be reduced by not cleaning your PAP equipment properly. That's because when you do not clean your equipment regularly, you can get sick due to harmful germs, bacteria, and mold that can accumulate in these devices. Cleaning your PAP equipment and supplies daily can be a timely, messy, and extremely inconvenient way to spend your time everyday life. Some ways to clean your equipment will involve soap, vinegar, and water, and plenty of time to let the equipment dry before use. To help with this challenge of keeping your PAP equipment clean, VirtuOx is proud to present to you the VirtuClean, the industry's smallest, lightest, and easiest way to properly clean your PAP equipment in only 30 minutes. VirtuClean uses ozone, also known as O3, to kill 99.99% of all germs and bacteria in your PAP equipment. This device is a rechargeable battery, 18-month warranty, and is available exclusively through your medical equipment provider. To use this device, simply connect your standard PAP tubing to the VirtuClean device, place the mask in the VirtuClean bag, and zip the bag closed. The bag will have a small area where the tubing and the zipper meet. This will allow proper ventilation in the ozone-enriched area, while still attached to the tubing. Turn the VirtuClean device on by pressing the orange button for approximately 2 to 3 seconds, then release. The device will automatically turn off when its cycle is complete in only 30 minutes. To clean your humidifier chamber, empty the water from the chamber, disconnect the tubing from your CPAP mask, and connect the tubing to your VirtuClean device. Turn on the device by pressing the orange power button for approximately 2 to 3 seconds, and in 30 minutes, your tubing and humidifier chamber will be cleaned, and the VirtuClean device will automatically shut itself off.